I've been updating my kickboxing gear, and I just bought these new kickboxing gloves by Sanabul, and I wanted to review them here with you today. I went with the Sanabul gloves because they were the most reviewed, and they were fairly inexpensive. Came in at around $35 after the shipping, handling, and taxes. They took about 3 days to arrive. These particular gloves are the 16 ounce. If you're curious on how to choose your size, it actually goes by weight. And I'll have a graphic pop up that you can look at that'll show you how you can choose your size or choose the right weight for the glove. These gloves come in multiple colors. I like all black, and that is what I went with. These are made out of engineered leather, which they say is supposed to be easier to clean and maintain. The foam on the inside is actually gel infused to provide extra protection. They're designed for the natural arc of your hand to help with your striking. It's like most kickboxing gloves or boxing gloves have that loop closure. It just loops around, Velcros to the front. So now let's try them on. Another feature that I liked with these was the mesh here. This is breathable for your palms. That close. Still got decent movement here. I'll put the other one on. Just kind of grip that, and so it still have the ability to open here at the palm, which would be good for clinch work. If you're going for the neck, right? Doing some plom. So these are the essential kickboxing gloves by Sanabul. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go and pick up a pair for yourself if you're interested. And if you're interested in more sparring gear type review videos, you're going to want to check out this video here on the RDX T1 Combox. It's a sparring helmet that has a face shield on it, and I will see you over there.